I'm Amanda Pasciucco, a clinical sexologist, certified sex therapist, and we're going to talk about anal sex education. Stimulation of the anus is pleasurable for all people as long as you're careful of hygiene and consent. When it comes to anal pleasure, it's important to be sure that the anus is clean. Wash it with no fragrant soap and water rigorously. Discuss boundaries, limits, safe words, and what you're going to do afterward if you're trying to do anal pleasure with a partner. And if you're doing it by yourself, go very, very slow. It takes a while to relax the sphincters in the anus. There are two. You need to use lube if you're putting anything inside the anus. The rectum itself doesn't have the ability to self-lubricate like a vagina would or like a mouth would. If you have more questions about sensation and pleasure, get this sex therapy webinar. Write your questions in the comments below. Catch you in the next one.